Information technologies consist of many different devices that are connected to network that communicate with each other. Here are the example of information technology devices. Data networks and all associated communications equipment such as servers, bridges, routers, hubs and wiring. Peripherals directly connected to computer information systems used to collect or transmit audio, video or graphic information such as scanners and digitizers. Computer components that include data storage and programs to input, process, and output to data. Telephone and radio equipment switches used for voice communications. Voice response systems that interact with a computer database or application. Video conferencing equipments, PC and mobile devices. These devices are the product of different companies and vendors. According to their intended use, they serve different needs such as daily use, commercial use, and spatial conditions. 5 biggest technical hardware companies in the world are Apple, Samsung Electronics, Hanwha Precision Industry, Microsoft Corporations, and Siemens. These hardware are used in many areas from printers to scanners, from self-driving vehicles to spaceships. Programming peripheral in a way that people can understand these machine languages through computer hardware. Machine translation steps are binary numbers, decimal numbers, ASCII codes. An important advantage that computers can change their body organs, which means their hardware, depending on their usage needs. With this ability and the purpose of usage, a wide variety of computers with different features have emerged today. Servers, storage units, desktop computers, laptop computers, home computers, office computers, gaming computers, graphic computers are designed to meet these different needs. And of course, computers perform all these different operations through their hardware and software. For this reason, before we buy the computer, we must decide what we will use it for. Computers which prepared with the right hardware features you want supports you to finish your computations or work in a very short time clearly. So it's time to talk about the hardware that makes up the physical structure of computers. Hardware allows the computer to interact with the outside world and of course with the users. By this way, meaningful data can be uploaded to computer, loaded and processed data is displayed in a way that people can understand, and as a result of different applications, meaningful data is produced. Specialized hardwares can be examined in 3 sections according to their usage patterns. Hardwares for entering the information, hardwares for processing the information, hardwares for displaying information. 5 basic hardware is used for data entry by arranging data in a way that the computer can understand. Which hardware is used for entering the information? Keyboards, mouse, CD/DVD drives, scanners, USB drives. Now it's time to process data that entered. The computer uses 10 basic hardware to process data. Which hardware is used for processing information? Motherboard or mainboard, ROM, read-only memory, CPU, central process unit, HDD, hard disk, RAM, random access memory, SSD, solid-state disk, display card, GPU, graphics processing unit, sound card, PSU, power supply unit. This processed data is now ready to be displayed for the user to use again. 3 basic hardware is used for display the processed information. Which hardware is used for displaying information? Monitors, printers, projectors and others. As you see that computers consist of different type of hardware components.